Every conversation you've ever had with an AI is gone. Every idea, every solution, every carefully crafted piece of writing vanished the moment you close that tab. And here's the brutal truth. Most people are losing thousands of intellectual hours because they have no system to capture it. But there's a method that turns every AI conversation into a living, growing knowledge base that compounds over time. Stay until the end, because what you're about to learn will permanently change how you work. Before we dive in, if this video is useful to you, hit like right now. Drop a comment below telling me how you currently use AI. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is the time. All right, let's start with a simple question. Where is the last great idea you got from an AI? Probably in a browser tab you closed, or a text file you forgot about, or slowly fading from your memory. The problem is that AI is an incredible source of information, but without a proper capture system, all that information passes through you like water through a net. This is where Obsidian comes in. Obsidian is a note-taking app, but not the kind you're used to. It's built on bidirectional links. Your notes connect to each other like a neural network. When you bring an AI idea into Obsidian, it doesn't sit there alone. It connects to your previous ideas, merges with your projects, and slowly transforms into real knowledge that belongs to you. Now let's get into the actual system. How do you connect these two tools? First, build a base structure inside Obsidian. Create a folder called AI Outputs. Inside it, 3 subfolders: Ideas for raw outputs from AI, Research for information you're using to build something, and Projects, where ideas connect to real work you're doing. Simple structure, but powerful. Why? Because when you need something, you know exactly where to look. Step 2. Create a template. Every time you have an important AI conversation, open a new note in Obsidian and follow this structure. Date, topic, the question you asked, the core answer, and the most important field of all, action items, what you're actually going to do with this. That last part matters more than people realize. Most people collect ideas but never act on them. When you're forced to write, "What will I do with this?" your brain shifts into a completely different mode. Now here's something most people don't know. You can ask AI to format its response so it's already Obsidian ready. When you're working with Claude or any other model, tell it at the start of the conversation, format my response with a main header, clear subsections, and a bullet-pointed action list at the end. Now the output you receive can be copied directly into Obsidian. No reformatting, no cleanup. Just paste and link. Small change, massive time savings. Let's walk through a real example. Say you're working on a content project. You go to Claude and ask it for a YouTube content strategy. You get a great answer, but without a system, that answer disappears. With Obsidian in the loop, you create a new note called YouTube Content Strategy, today's date, you paste the AI output, then you link it to your Video Ideas note and your Competitor Research note. Now that information is alive. A month from now, you come back and see how this idea has merged with others you've captured since. There's another Obsidian feature that changes everything once you start using it: Graph View. This is a visual map showing how all your notes connect. When you've been consistently bringing AI ideas into Obsidian, you open Graph View one day and see patterns you never planned for. Clusters of connected thinking that reveal what you actually care about. This is the moment your system starts thinking alongside you. Now, let's go one level deeper. Obsidian has a plugin called Data View, and it turns your notes into a queryable database. With Data View, you can ask things like, "Show me all AI ideas tagged as unactioned," or "Give me everything connected to Project X." This is no longer note-taking. This is a real knowledge management system that works for you while you sleep. One important mistake to avoid. A lot of people try to build the perfect system before they start using it. Don't do that. For the first 2 weeks, just capture everything raw. Dump every useful AI output into Obsidian without worrying about structure. After 2 weeks, go back and look for patterns. Then build your structure around how you actually use things. A system built from real behavior is 10 times stronger than a perfect system that never gets used. And here's the loop that makes everything compound. AI doesn't have memory, but Obsidian does. Every time you start a new AI conversation, you can pull relevant context from Obsidian and bring it into the chat. Tell the AI, here are my previous notes on this topic. Help me develop this idea further. Now you're not starting from zero, you're building on everything you've already done. AI generates ideas, Obsidian stores them. Obsidian provides context, AI thinks better. The loop compounds. 3 things to take from this video. First, build a simple structure in Obsidian. 3 folders is enough to start. Second, ask AI to give you markdown formatted output with clear sections. Third, always include an action items section because an idea without action is just noise. If this was useful, leave a like. If you have questions or a better method, write it in the comments. Genuinely curious what other people are using for systems. And if you want more videos on building systems that actually work, subscribe.